Cutie Katie makes a scene. She wears a smile brushed 3 ways clean.
Cleaner breath, cleaner taste, cleaner teeth, 3 ways clean is Colgate Clean.
When Handsome Harry joins the session, he makes a real cool 3-way impression.
Cleaner breath, cleaner taste, cleaner teeth, 3 ways clean is Colgate Clean.
Uh-oh, dandruff. Some people wait until their dandruff becomes noticeable before they use their Head and Shoulders.
Why wait? I use Head and Shoulders all the time, so people notice my hair, not dandruff. Because the anti-dandruff ingredient works on the scalp, while the gentle shampoo leaves your hair soft and shiny.
For every man who wears Brute, there's a woman who loves what he smells like.
Introducing new Extra Strength Windex.
Beautiful shine. What's in this stuff?
Now Windex has more grease-cutting power.
Chrome really sparkles. Mirrors shine. What's in this stuff?
Counters clean right up. What's in this stuff?
More Ammonia D. New Extra Strength Windex cuts greasy dirt better without streaks.
Whatever it is, it works.
More Ammonia D. New Extra Strength Windex cuts greasy dirt better without streaks.
Pour it on Quaker Fruit and Cream. Stir it up, Quaker Fruit and Cream. What a taste, what a dream. The cream of the crop, Quaker Fruit and Cream. Quaker introduces fruit and cream instant oatmeals, bananas and cream, blueberries and cream, peaches and cream, and strawberries and cream. 4 rich, smooth tastes you won't find in any other cereal. The cream of the crop, Quaker Fruit and Cream. Instant oatmeal, Quaker Fruit and Cream.
Now, I'm going to tell you about something they can't measure with numbers, okay? I just plain feel better every day. As a matter of fact, most of the time, I feel terrific. And to me, that's worth more than all the numbers they got.